क्या आपको भी 25 या 20 की उम्र से ही प्रीमेच्योर ग्रेइंग ऑफ हेयर्स की परेशानी है? आइए देखते हैं इस चीज़ के पीछे का रीज़न, दैट इज़ प्रीमेच्योर ग्रेइंग ऑफ हेयर्स, जो कि बालों का सफ़ेद होना 20 साल या 25 साल की उम्र से अगर जो चालू हो जाता है, बहुत ही यंग एज में अगर बालों का सफ़ेद हो जाना, दैट इज़ नोन एज प्रीमेच्योर ग्रेइंग ऑफ हेयर। तो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द कॉज बिहाइंड दिस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लेट्स कंसिडर दिस इज़ द हेयर फॉलिकल। ठीक है, this is the hair follicle, this is the hair strand, and at the base or the bulb of hair follicle there are presence of melanocyte. Okay, so these are the melanocytes that gives color. It contains melanin. That pigment gives color, black color to the hair. Okay, so let's look upon what is the process of their development. That is melanocyte stem cell, then melanocyte, mature melanocyte, and then that will produce melanin, and that is transferred to the keratinocytes that produce pigmented hairs. Okay, so this is the pathway. Now let's take a look upon this pathway, that is tyrosine. Tyrosine is a non-essential amino acid. ओके, दैट इज प्रोटीन हम लेते हैं, उसके अंदर अमीनो एसिड्स होते हैं, तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द नॉन एसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड, दैट इज टायरोसिन। टायरोसिन का प्रोसेस है दैट after action of tyrosinase or tyrosine, it converts. This is not a one step process, this is a 3 or 4 step process, but I have just made it to the point that will convert into melanin, and melanin finally is the color pigment, color providing pigment, okay, that brings black color. Okay, so tyrosine converts into melanin in presence of tyrosinase and copper. So this is very important where we understand that बालों के काले कलर के पीछे टायरोसिनेज रिस्पॉन्सिबल है और कॉपर रिस्पॉन्सिबल है। अगर एक इंसान है उसमें कॉपर की कमी हो गई, देयर इज डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ कॉपर इन अ पर्सन एंड टायरोसिनेज एंड अल्टीमेटली टायरोसिन, दैट इज ही इज नॉट टेकिंग गुड अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोटीन, द चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग प्री मेच्योर हेयर इन दैट पर्सन इज हाई. Also, tyrosinase जो है, this is very important, tyrosinase inhibits, it is inhibited in the presence of oxidative stress. Okay, so that is very important, that it is inhibited in the oxidative stress, that is accumulation of H2O2. Okay, smoking, sleeping less, stress, and taking outside treatments, that is hair treatments. तो इसकी वजह से टायरोसिनेज हिंडर होगा और हमारा कॉपर नहीं होगा, that will cause decrease in the melanin, that is the main black color producing pigment. Okay, that will lead to our hairs that will be ultimately gray in color. Okay, so these are the cause, oxidative stress, ये 4 cause. उसके साथ टायरोसिनेज ही नहीं है, टायरोसिन ही नहीं है, that is amino acid. Amino acids comes from protein sources, so if they are not present तो malabsorption, chronic illness और प्रोटीन की deficiency की वजह से ये सब हो सकता है. So first thing you have to do when you suffer from graying of hairs is take a look on your diet. Take a look on your diet. You are eating good proteins, good amount of copper you are taking, B group of B12, B6 vitamins, and yes, if your mother and father suffers from genetic premature graying of hairs, that might be one of the reason. This is a strong reason, or autoimmune condition. But if we talk about healthy group of people, these are the 2 important criteria, that is copper deficiency, zinc deficiency, B group deficiency, B group vitamin deficiency, and stress. Okay, and yes, you should have almonds, mushrooms, eggs, paneer. Good source of copper, good source of copper, good source of protein. That's all for premature graying of hair. I hope you understand the whole concept of premature graying of hair. Thank you so much for watching.